How to change Play Store password. So if you are looking for changing your Play Store password, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So before starting, you need to know that your Google Play Store account is your Google account. So for changing its password, you just can go to your Google account. For that, let's open up the Gmail. And at the Gmail, you can see there is your profile at the right upper corner. Tap over there and you'll be easily able to see the Google account option. You just have to go for there. And here there are various options like your home, personal info, data and privacy, and security, and many more. Just go for security. And if you scroll down a little bit, here is password option. Just have to go for password. And before continuing to further action, you have to enter your last password. Just tap and enter. And once you're done, you can go for next. If you forgot your password, you can also go for forget password option at the bottom. And you'll be able to reset your password. And by doing that, you don't have to come over here and change your password because you'll already change it while resetting. So just go for next. And finally, after that, you'll be opened up to two text box. So in this section, you have to create a new password. You need to choose a strong password, and it said that choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts so that your Google account will be strong. And after setting, you can go for change password at the button. And with this symbol listed, you'll finally be able to change your Play Store password. So I hope this video was helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.